y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're trying a new brand, a new boutique. It is called T for the Soul. There it is. T-E-E, like t-shirt. How cute is that? I have seen so many sponsored posts for this brand. So I ended up following them and then made a purchase. I followed them a while ago though, because they just post the cutest things. So I've seen on their website, they tend to go up to a size 3X usually in tops and dresses, sometimes a 4X if I'm remembering correctly. Bottoms, they go up to a 20, but I managed to find a pair of jeans that went up, I think, to a size 22 is what I ended up ordering. I tend to size up or get a variety of sizes when I'm trying a new brand, so hopefully the things in here work out. I also bought things that are more geared towards my style. That's because I can't return any of this for a refund. How T for the Soul works, you can return items, but you'll only get a credit to purchase other things on their website. I own these things now and I want them to be things that I actually really like. So what we'll do at the end of the video, if there's something that I'm not so sure about, I'll post it on Poshmark, but I'll let you know which ones will be posted. That way, if you want to grab something, you can. I also noticed on their website, which I really appreciate, is on the front image, you'll see two models. One model is straight size, one model is wearing something in plus size. And I like that they do that right off the bat so that you can see how something looks on different bodies. So I appreciate that. I spent $203.98. Shipping was free. I also did hit the sales section and get some really cute things. So I'm so excited to try this because I've seen it so many times online and they just have really cute stuff. So let's get into it. Look how cute everything came wrapped individually, super tight packed, and this really cute pink paper. I appreciate that. It did have my order form on the top, one of these, which it kind of explains everything. And like I said, no, let's see, sale items are final. And it did say we offer store credit within 10 days. We do not offer refunds. So yeah, kind of exactly what I said. I'm excited for this. I love how it's packaged. How cute is this tee? And then we'll get to the jeans, which I really like. Tee first. All right, it says homebody. I think is really cute. I love the color. It's the Bella Canvas brand, which I really like because they're really soft and I know what size fits me. This is in a size 3X. It's called the Homebody Heather Lapis Graphic Tee. I paid $19.99 for it. I love the color. One thing I noticed with their tees is they do the same saying in a bunch of different colors, which I really like. I like the blue. I like how long it is. I believe, if I'm remembering correctly, that these tees, some of them go up to a 4X. Hopefully I'm remembering that correctly. But this is in the 3X. I really like it. It's super soft. Again, homebody, I love the saying. I think the fit is really good. The only thing in the back, on every single one of their t-shirts, they have their logo at the top up here. So if you don't like that, which I read that on the website and I thought, oh gosh, is it going to be this huge thing in the back? But it's not. So I appreciate that it's just a little logo at the top. So what do we think about this tee? I like it. I will wear it all the time. I may order more just in different sayings because they are so soft and they're just so cute. Now let's talk about the jeans. This is the best angle I can get with my camera, so sorry about that. These, I love the bottom, how they're frayed, and they're a little bit shorter. I think is really cute. If you don't like the fray at the bottom, you could absolutely roll them. I think would be okay too. And then it would get rid of that. So these are called the Nothing But Girl Talk Light Denim Jeans in a size 22, $49.99. So $50 for these jeans. They do have stretch in them. They're sitting right at my belly button. The 22 I think was a good size for me, but because they do have so much stretch, I could have gone with a 22, a 20 also. But I think this size is fine. I'm not familiar too much with this brand, and if it stretches a lot when you wear them. I'm editing this video, but I want to interject. So I've worn these jeans for about 4 or 5 hours today, just running errands around town, and I will say that they've stretched a little more than I would like. So I think that I should have ordered a 20, which is typically my true size in most plus size brands and regular brands that extend sizing. Sometimes I'll size up to a 22 because you never know. So I wasn't really sure this go around, but I would suggest if you are thinking of ordering them, to get your true size, and I think you'll be good. Okay, back to the video. I love these. How cute. And you could tie up a tee if you wanted to, or not, you know? These are very comfortable. Again, I love the bottom. And here's a look from the back. I like these. These are very comfortable. I'm going to wear these jeans. I have 3 more tops, so I'm just going to wear the same jeans. If you're wondering what's underneath, when you can't see the bottom, it's going to be these jeans. How cute is this? It looked so cute on all the models. I'm really into this embroidered top for some reason, or just in general. It doesn't have to be just on the top, but I think it's really pretty. I love the white. So this is called the Fashionable Excursion Off-White Floral Embroidered Top in a size 3X, $42. I think this fits really well too. I like the bit of cinching under the bust. I love this. I'm not sure, when I put it on, this was tucked in. If it's supposed to be tucked in or you let it hang out. You probably let it hang out because it has cute tassel thingies. So here we go. I love the sleeves. It is a sleeveless top, and this just kind of caps over the sleeves a little bit. I think it gives me a great shape. So comfortable. It's so cute. And here's what it looks like from the back. Same length all the way around. I really like the length of it. This will be cute as a dress too, right? All right, I like this one too. Last couple things I'm pretty sure I grabbed from the sale section. Okay, this I thought was different with all the different patterns here. Obviously, I'm drawn to the leopard print. It is a lightweight waffle knit long sleeve, but I think it would be okay maybe with some white sneakers, or you could pair it with some little heels, and you've got a cute little outfit. So this is called the Forget Your Worries Off-White Multicolor Pattern V-Neck Top in a size 3X, $28. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that this one was on sale. It almost reminds me, do y'all remember I got a top without all of this pattern on it? Almost identical from Australia. Hauled it. I've worn it so many times. This reminds me of that top. Though this one is more fitted, you can tell the other one I think is quite a bit larger. I bought it in a couple sizes larger. I like this. It's very different for me, but I thought the colors were fun. It doesn't extend to the back, so there's that. But I don't hate it. Do I love it? I don't know. I do think the V is very slimming, like when I'm looking at it. I don't know. What do y'all think about this one? Let me know, because I kind of like it, but then I kind of hate it. So let me know. Okay, I mean, come on. Y'all know I had to get something that had leopard on it. This, I'm pretty sure, was in the sale section, but I liked the leopard star on the front. It's also super soft on the inside. This is called the Starstruck Black Graphic Sweatshirt. 3X is the size, $32. I like how long it is. Let me show you. If you wanted to wear it long, you could. The sleeves are also a little bit long, but I'm assuming that's because the size is a 3X, so they make everything a little bit longer. I love this, the star. It's super soft on the inside. The outside is not so soft, but I guess that's not the part that's touching you. Do I like it? I do. I do really like it. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Imagine this with just a pair of leggings and some black sneakers when it starts to cool off outside. Yeah, I like this. Oh, the back does have the T for the Soul logo at the top too, but again, I don't mind it because it's not huge like I almost expected it to be. I think the 3X was the right size. I don't want it snug anywhere. It's a sweatshirt. This is what I want it to look like. It's even cute with a pair of jeans. You almost could dress it up with jeans like this with some little black booties when it's cool outside. I grabbed it because it was on sale. Listen, we're going into summertime. It's going to be hot, but I thought, look how cute. Do you like my dance moves? I mean, doesn't this scream Taren? I'm pretty sure they had this in white as well, but I don't need a white sweatshirt just to drop stuff all over it. Yeah, I like this. This is not as cute on as I felt like it was going to be, but that's okay. This is called Love is Wild and Fearless Leopard V-neck romper, size 3X. It was on sale for 16 bucks. So that's why I put it in my cart. It does have pockets. The feet or the ankles do have a bit of elastic. I mean, it fits. Okay, like it's fitting my body. It's just not flattering. This does have elastic. This is fake. So you can't loosen it or tighten it or anything. It's very soft. I will say that. I just don't, listen, it's just not the most flattering. But I'm sleeping in it. Or I'm wearing it around the house. I'm not going anywhere. I thought it would be cute for maybe the hunting camp because this year I'll actually get to go and it's super cold there. I don't know, y'all. Now that you've seen everything, let's talk final thoughts. This, I don't know if it is the most flattering, but it's very comfortable. It's very comfortable. So the only thing I think, I don't know. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking in my head. Right off the bat, I'm thinking I'll post this jumpsuit, the sleep jumpsuit on Poshmark. Also, the long sleeve V-neck waffle knit pattern top is not really my favorite. I love the jeans. Oh, I have earrings. Hang on. I cannot believe I almost forgot these earrings. Okay. Hello. I mean, y'all, I'm so into statement earrings lately that when I saw these, I wanted them. So these are the magenta seed bead fuchsia tassel earrings. They were $16. I don't think they were on sale. I think that's probably the standard price for a lot of their earrings. But yeah, I'm so into statement earrings, and how fun are these? Oh my gosh, I love these. All right, let's get back to calculating what we like, what we don't like. So I'll probably post this jumpsuit and the V-neck top on Poshmark. I love the jeans. Love them 100%. The homebody tee, yes. The black sweatshirt. When else am I going to find one that I like that much that fits me so well? The white embroidered top I do really like as well. I don't know if it's so much my style when I'm wearing it. So you may see that on Poshmark, you may not. But what I'll do now is go ahead and post everything that I don't want to keep. That way, if you want it, you can grab it. I'll link my Poshmark down below. So final thoughts, I like tee for the soul. I think what I'll probably stick to for them is t-shirts, those Bella Canvas ones that are so soft. And they have so many cute sayings. And now that I know for sure the fabric, how it fits, and you know how soft it is, that sort of thing, then I'll probably go in and grab a couple of more. The jeans I do really like as well. So there's that. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Do I keep this or not? No, I don't need it. I don't need it. I'm not keeping it. I have a set from maybe Trunk Club. I think it's Castellan is the brand, or BP. That's the brand. And it is a pink leopard, and it's joggers and a long sleeve top. So I don't need the one piece where I'm naked trying to pee, you know? So, all right, that's a wrap. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Everything that I just tried on, I will link directly in the description box down below. And also I'll leave my Poshmark, like I mentioned, in case there's something that you want to grab. So thanks for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.